I have 3D printed and painted this Iron Man helmet to my little nephew, who is 2 years old. It is intended to be used as a piggy bank. Here's the slot for the money. I'm missing a bottom part. I think it would be super cool to have lights inside the helmet. I want it to be very simple, so I'm going to use a BikeLight. I'm using the electronics, LED and the button. Now I just need to design some parts and print them. This is not a tutorial, I'm just gonna show what I did. I have imported the STL file from Thingiverse into Fusion 360 and constructed the bottom part on a plane. I've constructed the threaded part around the 3D scanned part. Then I exported the threaded part as an STL, imported it again and stuck the two parts together with fusion glue. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then subscribe to my channel. A big thanks to Zebicon for letting me use this awesome 3D scanner in my spare time. If you want to know more about 3D scanning, then check out my other video or check out Zebicon's website. Vi ses!